unique about being a PM at Google Cloud is that it takes the best of everything that Google has to offer in terms of tech, in terms of the culture, but then it is in a extremely high growth area. When you work within an environment that's of that nature, you're naturally exposed to what's next and what's next after what's next. As a product manager, that can be like being a kid in a candy shop. I'm Aparna Sinha. I'm a product manager in Google Cloud working on Kubernetes and Google Kubernetes Engine. So I've worked at Google for 5 years, and I have indeed taken many different types of roles, and I moved to Google to actually work in consumer technology. I thought that consumer technology was so cool because everybody uses these products. Billions of people have Android phones, or billions of people are using Gmail. So I wanted to work on something that had that kind of impact. After working at Google, I realized every Google service that you use runs on this global infrastructure that is the same as the infrastructure that Google Cloud runs on. What we're doing is we're bringing that innovation to the enterprise, and we're harnessing that capability and building on it in a way that is consumable for enterprise users and enables enterprises to leapfrog and change the way they work. As a product manager, you're really the product owner. You are the CEO of your product. That encompasses quite a bit of weight and responsibility. You're sort of the nexus of the product. You are coordinating all of the outbound activity. You are designing and setting the strategy and vision, as well as ensuring the execution of the product from the technical standpoint. The other axis is cross-product. That's where collaboration with other product managers is extremely important. And I think product managers naturally are team builders. And you develop a network that you are friends with, that you trust, and you can get together with a team of engineers and very quickly come up with a prototype. Google is so much at the forefront of technology, and the way that our culture is built, we are always looking for the 10x. So when we look at the enterprise and we look at the impact of cloud, we're thinking about 10x. How can we really transform this area? The reason I'm a product manager is because I believe that the power of products to change people's lives is incredible. And then being at Google, I just have the sense that this is the place to do it. The mission of the company is to impact billions of users and democratize the internet, democratize the cloud. We believe the benefits of technology should apply to all. And that's a mission that really, I think, for a product manager is very, very inspiring.